Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the last classes we have deals with equality and essential feature of equality. In this last class we have discussed about the second point, equality as a modern idea. Equality is one of the idea of modern idea, and equality if we wanted to develop also we have to depend upon modern age. As soon as when we are going towards the modern age, so man can able to develop the equality by its own. So there are various concepts which was originated in the modern age, and when compared to the past, if you see the present, equality have greatly originated and equality was achieved by all. Now in this point we will discuss about equality has an idea of social change. If you wanted to change the society, equality is a very good idea. Equality is very important idea for changing the society, essential for social justice and liberty. It is very important that what is the main thing which is very essential at present is social justice and liberty is very important. So these are the essential features of equality. Children, already we have discussed about the introduction, main points and definition. Step by step I have decreased that introduction point because again and again repeating the same point, which is not good. So what I have did is I have decreased the introduction point. Introduction, we already know the concept of equality and inequalities are originated from the political theory. Aristotle have defined that equality, inequalities are mainly responsible, revolution is mainly responsible due to inequalities. So if you does not want any revolution, then what we have to do, we have to give equality to all the people. And nowadays if you see, naturally human beings cannot be equal completely, because most of the people by nature their abilities were also quite different. So due to the ability, some people will develop at a very high level, so they will go very faster, but remaining peoples who cannot develop, still they'll be remain backside. So there is hardly inequalities in the society. Complete equality is not possible, but in political equality, whenever the people are equal before law, when all the citizens are considered as equal before law, and when laws are applicable to all the people equally, equal protection of law, equality before law and equal protection of law, this is very important in this is considered as political equality. So when all the people are equal before law, when all the people have equal protection of law. Now in this point we discussed about equality is very important idea for social change. In the advanced age, science and technology, they played a very important role, children. Normally in the modern age, in the advanced, now we are in the advanced age. In this age, science and technology, they played a very important role. But due to the science and technology also, what's happening, more area, natural inequalities are getting. Due to the more area we can find natural inequalities are also getting. As soon as when science and technology is developing, it is going to be advanced, so great inequalities are originated at present. How? Because as soon as when the science and technology have taken places, some section of the people who are very interested in science and technology, they are getting joined. Some people who are very weak, they can't. In that condition, as soon as when there are related to the science and technology, the opportunities are also increasing and they are developing very faster. We will discuss about here this point. Education and training is very important. Science and technology, science as well as technology is very important for development. Education and training is very important to develop your mental capability. If you wanted to develop your mental makeup, science and technology and educations and trainings are very important to develop. So this is the main point. But the problem is, there are various students who are joining in the science and technology. Some section of the students can able to join in a science and technology, but remaining students can't, because science and technologies cannot be afford by the poor section of the people. There are many students, if they wanted to learn in engineering college, poor section of the people cannot able to afford. That is mainly depends upon the social and economic status, due to which what is happening, some people are developing very faster and remaining people are going backward. So in the advanced age, science and technology, as soon as when the science and technologies are developing, more and more inequalities are found. Okay, more and more inequalities are formed in the society. When you are talking in the ancient time, there is no inequalities and there is no huge gap, but as soon as when the development advances, in this advances due to the development of science and technology, inequalities are also higher. For example, here I have explained you education and training is very important to develop. This education and training is very important to develop, and this will provide various types of opportunities. Education in the form of science and technology will provide various opportunities. If you are highly educated regarding the science and technology, opportunities also will be very higher. But availability of these benefits are only to the few section of the people, because all the section of the people cannot able to afford the education. Okay, and that's why only few section of the peoples can able to afford, because this is mainly depends upon social economic status. Okay, so this is mainly depends upon the economic conditions, social and economic conditions of a family. If the family can able to afford, okay, in a proper training and availability of the science and technology, if they can able to afford, then okay. If they cannot afford, that is mainly depends upon their economic condition. Okay, most of the people cannot able to afford. So due to which what is happening, the people who can able to afford, okay, their students and their children are getting a very good opportunities, but remaining all students or remaining all families who cannot able to afford their children in the training and education of science and technology, the students still remain back. Now this is one point. Health, and on the other hand, if you see, health and body strength is also very important. Health and body is also very important, because health is very important and strength of the body is important, but that is mainly depends upon the proper nutrition. When you are providing to the children, when you are providing your child a proper nutritious food, he will grow very fast. Nutritionists, what they have suggested, that healthy students will grow very faster. Whenever the students are getting proper nutrition, when the students are getting proper food in the nutrition, they will grow very faster. So here also same thing, health and body strength is very important, but health and body strength is mainly depends upon nutrition. Okay, similarly, education is also very important. Education in the form of education training is very important, and this will improve the mental strength. Okay, mental skills will be improved. But for these two things, what is important? Availability of these benefits, social economic condition, that is mainly depends upon the social and economic conditions of the family. Okay. Poor families, if you see, in most cases of the poor family, they cannot develop, okay, because of lack of facility. Okay, some section of the families can able to afford the proper nutritious food, so the children will develop very faster. So this is the main point. So if you wanted to change the society, if you wanted to change the social changes, equality is very important. Equality in terms of education, equality in terms of nutritious food, etc. Okay, next I'll go forward. Essential for social justice and liberty. So what social justice and liberties are very essential. Okay, we'll discuss here. Equalities are very essential for social justice. If you provide justice in the society equally, then equalities can be achieved, and they are highly connected to the liberty. Okay, if there is freedom, then only there is equality. Equality is highly connected with the liberty. Means how the equalities are connected with the liberty means, if the people are getting freedom, the people are equal, then only they will be free. Without liberty, no equality. Equality and liberties are both interrelated and interdependent to each other. Same thing. When liberty, without liberty there is no equality, and without equality there is no liberty. So equality and liberty both are interrelated to each other. Liberty is insignificance. Insignificance means it is not an important. Without equality, suppose if you have given freedom, but if you have not given equality, then that is meaningless. If you have given if you have given any student equality, if you have treated all the students equality, but you have not given them liberty, in the sense freedom, okay, then that is meaningless. Already we have discussed in the earlier classes what is meant by liberty. Okay, liberty is originated from the Latin word liber, which means to set free from all type of restriction. Whenever if you allow any person to free from all type of restriction, that is liberty. So here liberty and equalities are both interrelated and interdependent. So without equality there is no liberty, without liberty there is no equality. So equality and liberty both should be related to each other. So these are the essential features of social justice and liberty. Equality is one of the essential features for social justice and liberty. So, this is one point. So, children, this is the point we have discussed. So, once again we will go forward. In the introduction point, we have discussed that the concept of equality and inequalities are mainly originated from the various political theories. Aristotle is the father of political science. Aristotle have explained that mainly different type of revolution have taken places all over the world. That is also because of inequalities in the society, and that is why if any country does not want any further revolution, then what they have to do? They should provide equality in all the section of the people. Okay. Now, a complete equality is not possible. For example, nature is also responsible for certain cases inequalities, because we can find there are various people. Okay, most of the people, each and every people are quite different with each other. Some people have a good skills, they have a good ability, they have a good skill. So, based upon the physical, mental ability, some people will quickly develop very faster, remaining peoples will be backward due to the natural reasons. Natural human hierarchy is also mainly responsible for inequality. But when we are talking about the political equality, what is meant by political equality implies that equality before law and equal protection of law. When you are providing all the people equal before law, when all the people are equal before law and equal protection of law, that is called as political equality. In the last class, students, we have discussed about equality has a claim of right, equality has a modern idea. In this class, we will discuss about equality has an idea of changes, and essential equality is very essential for social justice and liberty, freedom, and for providing justice also. Equality is very important. First, we will discuss here equality is an idea of social change. We already know that in the advanced age, in the advanced science and technology, okay, more and more areas we are facing a problem of natural inequalities. Okay, in advanced age we are facing mainly a problem of natural inequalities. Okay, first reason is education and training. So, some section of the people can able to afford technological education and training. So, for their children, so their children are getting a very good opportunity. Remaining families who cannot able to afford the condition, who cannot able to afford the training and education, they cannot able, their children are not getting proper opportunity. So, this is also one responsible for inequality. Children who receive the proper technology and science education, they will develop very faster. Here also the same thing, education and training is very important. On the other hand, even if you wanted to have the proper health and body strength, nutritionists have suggested that children will grow faster when they are getting proper nutritious food. Whenever the children are not getting proper nutritious food, they are facing a problem with malnutrition. When the children are getting proper nutritious food, they will grow very faster. So, for having the food and education, the most important thing is what? Availability. For availability of these resources, what is the most important thing is benefits. So, these benefits are mainly depends upon only the social economic conditions of family. If the family can afford the education and if the families can afford the food, then the children will grow very faster. But certain section of the families, if they cannot able to afford, they can't. So, inequalities automatically will form. These types of inequalities are called natural inequality. I will go forward. Next one, we have seen essential for social justice and liberty, equality. Equality is very essential for social justice, and equality is highly connected with liberty. Okay, without liberty there is no equality. Okay, and liberty is insignificant in the absence of equality. Equality and liberty both are related to each other. Okay, if you have given freedom to any person, but if you have not given equality to the particular person, that is meaningless. Okay, both is important. So, whenever if you are giving to a person liberty and equality, then only he will enjoy the social equality and complete equality. Okay. So, children, remaining classes will discuss with a new point with the same topic. Okay, what is that? Liberty and equality and essential features of equality. We will discuss in the next class with fifth point, okay, and sixth point. Okay, children, thank you very much everybody.